These are the steps to sign out from YouTube, okay, from your YouTube app on iPhone, all right? There has been some recent changes, so let's get into it. First, tap on your YouTube app. As the app opens, tap on the human icon, which is at the bottom right, okay? You'll be taken to this page. Tap on Switch Account. Now, once you find yourself here, you will see some accounts you have, your email address and account attached to them, okay? Then our next step here is to tap on manage accounts on this device. This will list some email addresses you have linked to your Google, okay, on this particular device, under your particular device with the email addresses. So you know the one you want to sign out from. All right, the one I want to sign off from is the one named Godwin Okechukwu in this case, that email address with the email address under it, which is hidden for security reason. All right, so tap on remove from this device. A notification like this will show up and says remove account. This account and any unsaved data will be removed from YouTube and other Google apps on this device. No problem, tap on the remove button. And this account is removed and you are signed out from this. So let me close this page and come back again to know if I'm really signed out. So I'm back to my home screen. I will tap on the YouTube app. Now, once you're here, you can see I'm signed out in this case. But I want to sign in again. To sign in again, tap on the human icon at the bottom right with the text you. Once you're here, you will see an interface that looks like this telling you to sign in. Hit the sign in button. This will load, showing you the account that is available here, the email address, but our interest is to add the one we've signed out from. So tap on add account. Now YouTube wants to use google.com to sign in. Tap on continue. Alright, it shows you the email address that exists on Google on this device, which is the one you previously signed out from. So tap on it. Here, it's requesting that you should type in your password. I like selecting the box show password, or I can leave it in this case. Let me leave this case. So tap inside that place with the text, enter your password, or enter your password, or use your Face ID. Here, I'm using my Face ID. So let me tap into the box. And here it says fill password. So sign in to Google with your password for my email address quoted there. I will tap on fill password, okay? This is my face. And here it says it wants to do two-step verification. The password have been sent to me. I will type it in. Then I will tap on done. The next step is to tap on next. It has discovered this my YouTube account again, so I will tap on it, the one named Godwin Tech. And here I'm back again, fully signed in. So this is how to sign out from your YouTube channel, okay, on a YouTube app installed on iPhone, okay, and how to sign in again. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.